If your C drive is almost full and your PC is starting to lag, freeze or even crash, you need to fix this right now, because once your C drive goes below 1 to 2 GB, your system basically starts begging for help. But don't worry, you are on Get Assist, and in this video I am going to show you real methods to free up serious space, not just 2-3 GB. I am talking about 30 to 50 GB, even more. So let's fix this. First, open your C drive. Now go to the search bar and type size:gigantic. This will show files larger than 4 GB. Now here is the trick. Check if they are useful. If not, delete them immediately. These are usually old videos, backup files, software junk. And trust me, these alone can free huge space. Now repeat it with size:huge. This shows file between 1 GB to 4 GB. Again, manually check and delete unnecessary ones. Most people never do this, and that's why their storage keeps filling up again and again. Go back to C drive, look for a folder called Windows.old. If you upgraded your Windows, this folder exists and it can easily take 10 GB to 30 GB plus. Just delete it permanently. Go to C drive, then go to Windows, now software distribution, and open it. Select all files and delete them. These are temporary update files that are no longer needed. Press Windows plus R. Now type temp. Delete everything inside. Repeat it again. Now enter %temp%. Delete all the files. Now go to C drive, then click on Users, then Admin or your account name, then click on AppData. Now go to Local. You will see tons of folders here. These are leftover files from apps you have already uninstalled. For example, old emulators, editing software, random tools you tried once. Delete the folders of apps you don't use anymore. If you are unsure, Google the folder name first. Now search Disk Cleanup. Select C drive and let's scan it. Now select everything: temporary files, thumbnails, recycle bin, and click delete files. You would be surprised. Sometimes this alone frees 10 plus GB. Go to Settings, then click on System, then go to Storage. Let it load. Now you will see apps, videos, documents, temporary files. This gives you a clear idea of what's eating your space. Now just go to Apps. Look for the apps which you are not using and uninstall them. In many cases, people recover 100 plus GB space just from this step alone. Now let's look how much space we have got back. Oh my god, around 44 GB. It was just filled with junk you did not even know existed. After applying these steps, your system will run faster, stop freezing, and actually feel like new again. Now tell me in the comment section how much space did you recover, and if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.